We are at Box Hill HomeWorld and we are going to check out some houses and packages. Oh my god. The price of that house for the construction of that is 7,000. Babe, this is nice kasi like small backyard lang siya oh. Tapos yung room connected dito parang inside and outside na experience. Oh, gusto mo tong lugar na to, babe, parang pantry corner. Eh, meron ito rin oh, meron dito. Ay, ref pala to. Concealed yung ref oh. 1.1 price for this duplex. Parang ito yung couch natin eh. Parang feel ko pag mas marami kang bisita dito, tinan mo. Dining table 1, dining table 2, meron pa daw outdoor na sitting area. Another sitting area. Pag marami kang bisita, ganun kasi na gusto mong stay. Panorama 36, Saxonvale 33, Havana Executive, Lancaster 31, then our pet, Miami 16.
In 300 meters
Carmel
at the
Village.
roundabout, continue straight to stay on Mount Carmel Drive.
Where's HomeWorld?
Ito
Ito
na.
na, we're here.
Ito yung mga bahay rin na display homes, they call it. Tapos you can go inside, inquire. Tapos, kaya nakatayo na yung mga bahay na yan. Kasi, kunyari, gusto mo ng gantong style na bahay. Uy, I want this style ng bahay. At least you can see na already, na it's already built, parang ganun. You have an idea of what you want to purchase na already.
I like that house.
Which one?
That one.
Ito?
The one at the back of mine.
There's a lot to choose from.
It's like
Later,
we
you note your favorite house.
Oh, sige, tingin tayo dito ng gusto nyong house. May cafe, yung gusto nyo mag-cafe.
I wanna go na in the house.
Teka
Wait lang eh. Malaki kasi to eh. We don't wanna walk around.
I like that house.
3-point turn tayo.
I like that house.
First house to check. White House. Ganda. This may be our room, babe. Ganda, babe. Inalam ba natin kung magkano yung presyo nito, babe? Ito, babe, sinasabi ko, like, kunyari meron ka entertainment room, pwede na rin i-double to as, like, guest. Like, may mga setup ka na beds. Babe, I like this. Ganda naman, babe. Oh my god.
No food. I need it. Look at the backyard.
Upstairs.
Okay.
Let's go up. Come. Another entertainment area, fully carpeted. Ibang ganda ng bahay. Sobrang ganda ng bahay.
Ba't kailangan ng maraming ganito? Yun nga pala yun.
Rio Kids room, I think. Wow, ang daming kwarto. Banyo. Banyo again. Then another room here. Study. And then probably this is the master's bedroom, the real master's bedroom. So big. Nice. Banyo.
Yeah.
I saw another bedroom.
Yeah, on the other side. 3 bedrooms.
This is really nice. Ano masabi mo sa bahay na to, be? Do you want this house, Ri?
Let's go down.
Grandeur 42-1. Ganito ang itsura ng labas ng bahay na to. We got a brochure. The price of that house for the construction of that is $720,000. Nice. Okay, let's go to the next property.
Like that one.
Okay, we're checking checking for a second house. Which one do you like to check out? Sabi dito, ganda dito, Pipo. Parang tingin ko okay dito sa kabalo.
Anong paano?
Park somewhere.
Papa, paano mo ba siya check?
Yung dun sa same builder kanina. Para
Yung road na yun.
para ma-check na natin yung kanyang style. So far, maganda yung una niya ng house.
Okay. Gonna check this house. So far maganda, sabi ng wife ko yung McDonald Jones na mga paano siya binild. So let's check it out. Ito naman ang builder na to. Nang pumunta, you have to go to the office first in order to access the houses. And then you just walk to the house. They're connected to each other through like a pathway here. Okay, so which one is we're gonna check first? Miami 16. So all of the designs here, or at least for display homes, are shown in the brochure as well. Yep, Miami 16. Ano, gusto mo mag-greet dito kay Mama? No.
Study. Maganda itong ganito. May built-in na study.
Parang ano lang siya. Hindi talaga siya room. Pero so okay 'yun. Smaller rooms. Study area, then study rooms. Living space. Barbecue. Small backyard. This is nice. Just a small backyard. But I think that's what we need. or what you want. Babe, this is nice kasi like small backyard lang siya oh. Tapos yung room connected dito parang inside and outside na experience.
Maganda yung use niya ng space.
Bungalow ba to? Kano kaya to? Let's make access dito rin, no? Relock. Bathtub, Riri's favorite.
Dishwasher.
Ah, concealed. That's nice.
Mama, face yung cabinet na yun.
And so the layout of Miami 16 is this one.
This is the ref.
4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, two-car garage house. Lancaster 31. And a Lancaster 16. Scary stairs. Ayoko na kagad ng stairs. That's the inside. Office. Yep, probably office. Office anak siguro. Tingin? Okay. Laundry room.
Ano to?
Ay, ganda rin, babe.
Mas maliit lang. Pero,
Kasi nga 2 floors.
pwede.
Oh, gusto mo tong lugar na to, babe. Parang pantry corner.
Pero open.
Meron ito rin, oh. Meron dito. Ay, ref pala to. Concealed yung ref, oh.
Makikita mo. Ay, may pool. Look. There's a pool.
I think this is the one that we saw.
There's a pool. Kaya it's in. Pools are for the week.
How can we open it daw?
Why not?
Swimming pool. Okay, upstairs. Let's go.
Wow, so nice.
Family room. And then, ang arte-arte naman. Okay, plus may upuan pa. Master's bedroom. Highlight naman tong banyo na to.
Look, look, look. Toilet.
Toilet. So open siya. Weird. Ang weird na.
Two bedrooms. Ilan? Masente. Bedroom.
Bedroom number 2. And that's bedroom number 3.
Ay, double.
And then bedroom number 4. And, separate from the toilet. And with the third house, Lancaster 16. So let's go to the Havana Executive. Havana Executive. This one's my bed, so sana maganda.
Ay, may tao.
Okay, master's bedroom in front of the front of the house.
Mama, yung kita to sa
Banyo. Malaki nga ba?
Free.
Entertainment room. Ito, babe. Ito pwede itong gawan ng ng bed.
Family hall na pwede maging guest room. Pwede yan. Nice yan.
Enter-
I'm gonna find.
Pantry. So, secondary bedroom. Okay yan. Sakto yan, serve siya. I like that. That's my area. Probably I like family hall. And different dun sa entertainment hall. Then, bedroom 3. Bedroom 4. And then, toilet. And bath. What's that? Toilet. Backyard. Hindi siya ganun ka clear in terms of layout dun sa what's the first one? Miami 16. Pero okay rin yung kanyang size, babe. Saxonvale 33. Saxonvale. Ano? Laki na ito. Study area. Ay, wala palang study yun, babe. Yung isa. Wow. Social. Straight na. Parang feel ko pag mas marami kang bisita dito, tinan mo. Dining table 1, dining table 2, meron pa daw outdoor na sitting area. Another sitting area. Pag marami kang bisita, ganun kasi yung bahay na gusto mong i-share. So, toilet dito probably. Toilet. Pantry. Let's go upstairs.
Yun lang pagbuwan mo. Living room.
Maganda yung Miami 16. Family hall. Yeah, 1. Room 2. Bigger room. So, closet. Room 3. And then, yung room 4 is the master's. Here, the other side. Big. Nice music. Meron pang city. Again, to accommodate guests. Parang hotel. Suite. Nice. So, toilet here on the left side. Then, bath here sa other side. Panorama 36. One plate, so let's check another house. Panorama 36. Panorama 36. Miami is the one with the study na parang pathway. Yun yung gusto ko eh. 650 yung shown. Pero pwede siyang 450. Panorama 36. Kaya siguro mahal yung unang-una natin napuntahan kanina kasi nga 2 floor siya.
Tsaka medyo upgraded yung mga features.
Ito maaliwalas tong house na to Panorama 36. Maganda rin to be. Like, maaliwalas siya. Para may feel siya nung sa una natin pinuntahan kanina eh. Tsaka ganito yung, parang ganito yung couch natin eh.
Baka mas straightforward ang layout.
backyard, little more lawn in this particular design. There's a pool. You can also do sunbathing. Not sure if we're a fan of this, but it's nice. Ano yun, babe? Oo. Tapos parang ito, staging. Tapos, here's the study area. Ang ganda na ito, social, parang may office ka talaga. Yan, so that's it. Panorama 36, McDonald Jones. 6:20 or 6:30. And then, not there, anak. Then the Havana is parang 5:20. And then, the Miami is 650 600 to 650 parang gano'n. So, tama ba yung pagkakatanda ko ng presyo? Yes, nagno-note na ng mga presyo ng mga properties para may idea kami next time. So, this is Meridian Homes, granny flat, Meridian Homes. Where's your room? Do you want that kind of bed, anak? Ang ganda na ito, Reef. Imagine mo meron ka walk-in closet. Fulfilled, oh. Saan ang masters? Malayo lang tayo doon sa room ni Ipa eh. Ito talaga walk-in. Parang portal oh. Laundry area. Wow, laki. Tabi ng stove, kitchen, cooking area. It's concealed at the back. There's also a cooking area here. Saan ang granny flat? O baka nasa likod? Yun ba yan? Ang dual occupancy pa.
Duplex siya.
So pwede rin yun. Paparent mo yung kalahati. Oh. Check natin.
Is that the granny flat?
Hindi. Pero pwede rin yun, babe, yung duplex na style.
Mama, can we go walk that house again?
Although hindi ko type yung...
Nakatira sa kabilang house, no, baby?
Can we go back in the other
Pwede. Parang sold ka na, may property ka na para sa anak mo.
Hindi siya ganun kalaki.
Oo.
the other house again?
Straightforward lang yung layout niya. Isang diretsong ganun. Yun lang.
Oo, pwede.
Can we go in the another house again?
Wait lang rin. Tapusin mo natin ito kasi ito yung dulo eh. Laundry area.
Straightforward lang. Ito kasi.
Practical. Parang hindi mo feel... Hindi siya masyado malaki pero...
Kasi nga duplex eh.
Kasi yun lang yung kailangan mo. Tapos technically, it's your house pa rin naman yung malaki na yun, di ba? Oh. Baby room. Room number 1. Study, corner. Meron pa dito, babe, oh. Pwede akong uminom habang nag-work ako. Ayoko lang. Weird. Bedroom number 2. So, bedroom number 1 sa baby room. Bedroom number 3. Mas mura yung mga ano dito. Yung isura ng mga beds.
Bedroom.
Maybe.
Mama, this is my bedroom.
And then finally, the master's bedroom in front. Babe, parang layout na bahay natin to. Nice. Parang pang lalaki yung house eh. Masyadong masculine yung furnishings or finishings. Parang masyadong hindi siya feminine, babe. Then yung kabila.
Pwede. Nice.
So, 5 bedroom. Tapos parang siyang kwadrado. Square layout. So, this one is a dual occupancy. This is the unit 1. And then, so, I don't know. Isa, 1 car garage. Right? And then there's the second one. Home B.
Mama, but I want to check the same house again.
The design is what you call Bellary. 7. Different.
Dito na yung study.
Okay, mag-ibang property siya.
Tapos, ito. Service area. Wait. Ito muna na isa.
Nicer yung finishing dito. Probably mas mahal ito.
Pwede po pa. Size mo.
Pero wala kang investment property sa likod. Nasaan na kayo yung sinasabi lang granny flat?
Kasi, that may purpose.
Efficient. Almost ganito nga yung layout mo sa taas natin, baby. Sa Pasig.
Bedroom.
This is your bedroom. Nice.
Next bedroom.
Bathtub. Highlight na highlight yung may bathtub na closet. Small bedroom. Mas maliit lang yung kanyang master's bedroom. Oh my God, magugustuhan mo to, babe. Look there. Punta ka dun.
Ay, wala. Ito yung bathroom. Tapos.
Magugustuhan ni mama to.
Hindi nga eh.
Ang laki ng closet.
Medyo weird.
We met the senior sales consultant. It's Joe Cruz. He's a Filipino. So, really nice to see a fellow Filipino. Are we done? We're good? So, the Bellary, the duplex, is around 1.5 million, 1.1 million because there are 2 units of 4 to 5 bedroom each, and then the other one, the Geneva, with the provision for a granite lot, is around 900,000. 1.1 price for this duplex.
Hindi na sa wakas.
Macquarie design. Hindi ko gusto. Oh, hi! Pero nakakapagod rin, no? 1 hour lang tayo nito, baby.
Kaya nga dapat balik.
Next time yung Marsden Park na.
Dapat babalikan.
This was our first time visiting HomeWorld in Box Hill. We really liked the McDonald Jones houses. Which one did you like? Place a comment below. And please like this video and subscribe to support our channel. Till the next video, bye!